Wix for Dropshipping Review, My Usage Experience. Links to Wix and related resources can be found in the description below. Wix is a user-friendly website builder that's grown into a powerful e-commerce platform, making it a solid option for dropshipping businesses. Its intuitive drag-and-drop editor and robust features make it a favorite among beginners and experienced entrepreneurs alike, especially for those looking to create a professional online store without coding. One of Wix's standout features is its ease of use. You can quickly design and customize your store with its wide range of templates, which are fully responsive and tailored to different niches. The editor allows you to tweak everything from layout to fonts, ensuring your store aligns perfectly with your brand. For dropshippers, this level of customization is key to creating a unique and engaging shopping experience. Wix integrates seamlessly with popular dropshipping apps like Modalist, Spocket, and Printful. These apps allow you to browse products, import them directly into your store, and automate the fulfillment process. With Modalist, for example, you can access high-quality products from US and European suppliers, ensuring faster shipping times and higher customer satisfaction. These integrations make Wix a practical choice for dropshippers focused on convenience and efficiency. Another great feature of Wix is its built-in marketing tools. From email campaigns and SEO optimization to social media integration, Wix equips you with tools to drive traffic to your store. It also includes features like abandoned cart recovery and discount codes, which are essential for increasing conversions and retaining customers. For managing your store, Wix provides a comprehensive dashboard that tracks inventory, orders, and customer data. Its analytics tools help you understand your store's performance, enabling you to make informed decisions to grow your business. Wix also supports multiple payment options, including PayPal, Stripe, and Wix Payments, ensuring secure transactions for your customers. While Wix is highly versatile, it's worth noting that it may not be as scalable for large dropshipping businesses as platforms like Shopify. However, for small to medium-sized operations, it's an excellent choice. In conclusion, Wix is an excellent option for dropshipping entrepreneurs seeking a user-friendly, customizable platform with robust e-commerce features. Its integrations, marketing tools, and design flexibility make it a great choice for building and growing a professional online store. Check the links in the description to explore Wix and see if it aligns with your dropshipping goals. This review should help clarify whether Wix is the right platform for your business.